Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. The first thing we will do is open the console of CMD as administrator from the Windows search engine. Chapter 1. Repair DLLs Windows 11 or Windows 10. The first thing we will do is open the console of CMD as administrator from the Windows search engine. Now let's execute the command that appears on the screen. We will have to wait a few minutes for the process to finish. Chapter 2. Restart Windows, Explorer on Windows 11 and Windows 10. We start by opening the Task Manager by opening the Start context menu by right-clicking on the Windows logo. Within the current processes, we will select the Windows Explorer. Then click on Restart Task and wait a few seconds for our Windows environment to be updated. Chapter 3. Re-register Windows Store apps on Windows 11 and Windows 10. We will start by searching for PowerShell from the Windows browser and open it as an administrator to have privileges. The next thing will be to execute the command that we show you on the screen and that you can copy from description. With this, we can reinstall the applications related to the store. Chapter 4. Repair Windows Image Windows 11 and Windows 10. To start, we need to right-click on the Windows logo and open the terminal as administrator. Next, we will execute the syntax of the dism command that we show you on the screen to try to repair the system image. We wait for the process to finish, which may take a few minutes. Next, we will also analyze the system with the command sfc with the syntax that you can see. We will also have to wait a bit for the whole scanning process to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. Configure Microsoft C++ Windows 11 and Windows 10. The first step will be to open the control panel from the Windows browser. Then click on the option Uninstall a Program in the Programs category. In the list that appears, we will look for the option of Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 Redistributable. Then click on Change. In the window that appears, we will choose the option of Repair and wait a few seconds until the process finishes. After all this, restart Windows using the option that proposes Restart. Chapter 6. Use Windows Restore Point on Windows 11 and Windows 10. We start using the Windows search engine to enter the word Restore. Then, click on the option Create a Restore Point. Now, within System Protection, we will click on the System Restore option. Select the restore point you want to restore and click Next. After that, continue and complete the process to restore the system to a previous point. Chapter 7. Reset Windows 11 and Windows 10 apps. Let's start by going to the following menu path. Open Start and click on Settings. Then we enter the Apps option and inside we choose Default Apps. We go to the bottom and click on the option that appears of Reset within Reset All Defaults. We must confirm the task with OK. The reset process will begin, and after a few seconds we will see that the option of Reset All Defaults has been completed since a check appears next to it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.